Yes, you also take a paper and pen, take the differences. Record. Left side, web user control, and right side, custom control. Web user control, web user control, web user control will provide services to single application at a time. Single application. Coming to custom control. Custom control will provide services to multiple application at a time. Multiple application at a time. Understood the first difference, all of you? So which will provide services to single application at a time? Right.
Web user.
Right. Now tell me, Sravanti, tell me, right. Whenever I am asking question, respond through chat all the people, and whenever I am targeting one person, respond. Okay. Total class is becoming with very less interaction, one-way communication. Right. Now Sravanti, tell me, what is the first difference?
User control will provide security to string.
Remaining people has to respond through chat. What is the first difference? Immediately you have to respond through chat. Are you in the class or not? If you are in the class, you have to respond. You will not respond, I'll right click and remove from the list. Right, come on, tell me something. Web user control.
Web user control. Web user control will provide services to string application.
Single application at a time. What about custom control? Response from every student. 24, 23 students are there in the class. I'm getting response from 2 to 3 people. Right, tell me. Custom control will provide services to multiple
at a time.
Okay. Now the second difference is web user control. Yes, web user control. To develop web user control, we will use a predefined template. We'll use a predefined template. That is, web user control. There is one predefined template which is provided by the Microsoft to develop a web user control. For example, you can observe. Right click, Solution Explorer. Right, Solution Explorer. You people also immediately have to check in your system. Right click, add new item. It will open a template. It will open add new item window. Here you can see a template. The template name is web user control. So this template we have to add. Whenever you will add, that will be adding. With the help of this file, we can develop a web user control. So what is the extension of this file you are identified? What is the extension of the file you are identified?
ASCX.
That answer, the .acx should come from each and every student through chart. Okay, right. .acx file. Right, guys. So with this, we understood one thing, that is web user control. When we are developing, we are using a predefined template called web user control. With the help of this template, we will develop. Coming to custom control. Custom control. Simultaneously, you have to write on paper whatever I am writing. Differences now. Whatever I am writing on my pen board, you should write on your paper book. Whatever code I am writing in system, you people have to do in your Visual Studio. Custom control uh, will custom control we have to develop. We can develop we can develop by using class library by using class library project. Custom control we can develop by using class library project. Any idea regarding class library project, Prashanti? Any idea about class library project? Right. Yeah, Girish, tell me. Any idea about class library project? Yeah, how to develop a class library project? You know, it is one type of project. What is that? New project, file, new project. Right. Yeah, file, new project, and a class library plus what? Okay. So with this, what will happen? One class library project will create. With the help of class library project, we'll develop a custom control. But here I have a question. Your class library project, this is your class library project. If you will build this class library project, it will produce which file? Madhuri. What is the file? It will produce what file? Madhuri. Oral response. It will produce which file?
.dll file.
.dll file. So with this we can observe that class library project custom control we can develop by using class library project, but it will produce ultimately DLL file. .dll file. Finally, that means third point we can say that third difference we can say that web user control is representing with a .ascx file, and custom control will be representing with what file? Dot .dll. Okay. And the fourth point is, did I show you that day? Did I show you how to add a missing control to your toolbox window? Did I show you how to add a missing control to the toolbox window? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
What is the procedure I have given that day? What is the procedure I have given that day? Right?
Toolbox, right? Add item.
ASP.NET application toolbox window is missing one control. Missing means mistakenly you are deleted. So let's say link button deleted or text box deleted or something else deleted. Immediate any control you take in ASP.NET, if that control is deleted, actually that control you can add to your toolbox window. But how you are adding? Right click to the toolbox window, choose items, and choose items. What is that? So .NET Framework components, you can observe in your systems right now. .NET Framework components, and there you can identify the list of components. Am I right? There
Yes,
you
sir.
can enter the list of components. Are you understanding? You can observe. What is that? You can observe toolbox window. Yes, view toolbox window. My question is, those components are what? My question is, you have opened toolbox.
Predefined.
I am opening toolbox window. Okay, and I missed one control. Let's say link button. Remove. Are you able to see my screen, all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, remove.
Yes, sir.
Remove
Yes,
means
sir.
delete. Deleted. I deleted link button. Now right click. What is the procedure to add? Choose items.
That
Choose items. And yeah, you can observe. You can observe some processing is happening as part of the as part of that processing.
.dl.
Some files are adding. Observe in the screen, all of you. What files? Those are all
DLL.
.dll.
DLL files. Now you can observe .NET Framework components. In this, which file you missed right now? Which control you?
Link
Link
button.
button.
Link button. Check that link button, all of you guys. Check that link button. Check that link button. Yes. Yeah, link button. Observe the link button. Did I check it?
Yes, sir.
Right. And you can observe here system.web.ui.web controls. Okay, actually this link button they are providing as a what file, you know? What file, you know? DLLs, which are all DLLs. These are all what, you know? What is that? What files?
DLL.
DLL.
DLLs. Similarly, your custom control is developing with the help of class library project, and it will be representing with one file. What is that file?
DLL.
.dll. .dll. And here we identified 3 points. And third point is web user control is providing services to single application or multiple application.
Single
Single
application.
application.
Single application. And it will be available and it is local. It is local. But custom control is providing services to one application or multiple application.
Multiple.
Multiple applications are there.
It is global. It is global. Global. For example, you take a ASP.NET text box control. ASP.NET text box control is a local or global?
Global.
Global.
Yeah, it will be available in toolbox window for every application. You take 100 web applications, web application 1 to web application 100. In all applications, the text box control will be available in the toolbox window. You can do drag and drop. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you can do it. Okay, so according to that, my question to all the people, web user control, if you want to develop, you are adding a .asx file. The .asx file where you are adding into which window? Are you adding to Solution Explorer window or Toolbox window?
Solution.
With
Explorer.
this Solution Explorer window. With this web user control will be adding to, will be adding to, will be adding to Solution Solution Explorer window. Solution Explorer window. But whereas custom
Toolbox.
control should be should be adding should be adding to toolbox window. 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 Fifth one. So whenever you want to use a web user control, we should drag and drop from where?
Solution Explorer.
Yeah, that you remember. Web user control should be should be drag should be and drop drag and drop from 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 what? Solution Explorer window. And whereas custom control should be drag and drop from
Toolbox.
custom control should be drag and drop from toolbox window. Drag and drag and drop from toolbox window. Okay, custom control should be drag and drop from toolbox window. Right. Next to coming to sixth point. When we will go for web user control. When we will go for web user control. When we will go for custom control. Answer. When we will go for web user control. Are you writing simultaneously, all of you?
Yes, sir.
For single application and for multiple application.
Yeah. Whenever we want to use a user control for single application, whenever we want to implement a user control for single application, whenever we want to implement a user control for single application, then we can develop what control?
Web user control.
Web user control. Whenever we want to develop a user control for multiple application, then we can go with what?
Custom control.
Custom control. So that is the story. So with this, when we will go for web user control, when we will go for custom control, means whenever we want to develop a user control for single application, then we'll go with what? Web user. Whenever we want to develop a user control for multiple application, then when we can go with what? Custom control. Right. So this is the